friends, in this session we will discuss about how to install CodeBlocks software. Okay, link is in the description. Okay, then click it. This is the interface of CodeBlocks. Then click it download button, and then now click it download the binary release. Okay, scroll down. Okay, this is for Windows, and then choose your requirements. The Windows are Linux or Macs, anything. Okay, my system is Windows 64-bit, so I choose CodeBlocks, this one, and then click it sourceforge.net. Okay, look here friends, your download will start shortly. Okay, I already downloaded this software, so I cancelled it. Okay, now we see how to install CodeBlocks software. Okay, click on S button, and then next button, and then I agree, and then next, and then choose your destination folder. Okay, I'm choosing the desktop. Okay, then install. Okay, then click on S button. Okay, then click on finish. Okay, then click on OK. This is the interface of CodeBlocks. Then click on create a new project. Then click on console application. Then click on go button. Okay, next, click on next button. We choose C. Okay, then next. Okay, click on project title. Okay, title is Prasanth. Okay, path. Okay, then click on next, then click on finish. Okay, this is a home page of CodeBlocks. Here workspace, and then project name file Prasanth, and look here in the sources. Then click it on. This is the sample C program. Then click on F9 or run. run button. Okay, hello world, this is a sample program. This is the process of installing CodeBlocks software. Okay friends, in the later sessions we will discuss about programs. Okay friends, the next concept will be coming into the next video. Please watch the channel and do subscribe for more videos and other computer courses. Keep supporting us.